Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Forex Academy War Room. Today is Tuesday, July 14th. And man, the markets are mad today. They are really moving. So, without further ado, I got 7 live trades to show you, and then one current trade that we're watching besides the one that I posted yesterday. And so let's get on the right chart here. Starting at the bottom of the list here, dollar to the Canadian dollar. You can see that is making a huge move. And what we're finding across the board is that the dollar is losing strength against some of the pairs. That's just today, but it is a pretty big move. And in this particular instance, it's going with us, but not all of them are going with us. So this is a good lesson with your emotions and the market. See, like this market, we felt that 38% retracement level for the Fibonacci was a fantastic target because of this strong impulsive move. We've seen this several times, and a lot of times this is what happens, not every time. Okay, so everything that we're in because of a reason. But the market breathes. So here's kind of the same thing. We were long in this one, and this is the Swiss franc, dollar to the Swiss franc, and you can see how quickly it just turned on a dime. You know, you get into this stuff and it starts moving with you, you think you're a brainiac. But then when it starts going against you, you just want to cry in your milk. And so you just have to understand that if you just don't have any emotions about this stuff, up, down, sideways, whatever it is, just go with the facts, the rules, and just let the market play out. Okay, don't be a part of that emotional wave that a lot of people are. Okay, so these are two of them that we're live in. One is going with us and one is going against us. If we do take a loss, it's going to be a 1R loss. When we take wins, like this one, of course I don't. Oh, it's 3.4. So when this hits there, that's 3.4. So we can take several losses, and as long as we're taking wins here and there, like this, we'll be okay. Okay, next one is the pound to the Swiss franc. This is one that had been going up very nicely in our direction. And in fact, our first target is right here. So I was anticipating this to hit the target today, but then some kind of news came out or something, and the pound is now weaker to the Swiss franc. So we'll just wait, let this play out, do whatever it does. We're swing traders, so we're in it for the long haul. Next one is the euro to the yen. And again, this one we were in profit down in here. Last 2 days, it's been moving against us. It's currently against us. And that's why, having your stop loss is extremely important. Never trade without a stop loss. I mean, these things, I've seen them gap just incredible amounts on the opens, and normally it's on a Sunday night for the change in the markets or the economy or whatever. And okay, so with this one again, we got into it based on a 1, 2, 3 pullback on the number 4 leg, and we got all the signals that we wanted. Momentum is the way we want it. Strong volume, everything looks good. Take it, and that's what we did. Yesterday, the market made a really nice, clean, huge engulfing candle that broke and closed above the current resistance level. So that is a really good sign that this market's going to go up. Doesn't mean it will, it's just a good sign. Swiss franc to the Japanese yen. This is another one. We're looking for this to go down, and it has other ideas. So today, the market is strong up. So the Swiss franc is strong, and you can see that it's strong against whatever. What was that right here? So the euro is weak against the Swiss franc. The Swiss franc is strong against the yen. So that means that there's something going on with the Swiss franc. Canadian dollar to the Singapore dollar. And this is one that is going with us at the moment. And as you can see, we took this one based on a reversal that we saw. and we thought that it was right here, but again, not enough rejection. So we took a 1 hour loss there. And then we had a really nice hammer candle followed by an engulfing candle. That was another great trigger. We came in with a limit order and got filled right here. So, okay, and the next one here, we're short on this one. We've been in this trade for almost 2 months now. In fact, I think today is 2 months. I kind of have a mental note to myself that if it closes above this swing high right here, I might just get out of this with profit, uh, or not. If it might give us another opportunity if it comes up in here and makes another triple top, then that could be another opportunity. We'll see. The choice is yours, guys. It's your money. You do with it what you want. Okay, the only one that we're watching is euro to the Australian dollar. Well, it's not true. I'll show you another one. And okay, so it almost looks like it's going to break and close below this support level that I've identified, which is easy to identify if you just go back to the recent swing high that was broken, which is right here. This candle broke and closed above this swing high. So, and there's 3 green candles minimum. So we have a verifiable leg up here in an uptrend. And so then when it pulls back, we want it to be in this zone. And you see how it's kind of going beyond that zone, and it's a little bit underneath the 50 EMA. So I'm not, super excited about this one, but I am watching it because price action is not perfect, guys. It's not going to land right on the zero and you know exactly where to take it from. That's not how it works. Okay, so the next one, and this I posted, in fact, this one I posted yesterday too. So the Australian dollar to the Swiss franc. Now, again, I'm just going to assume because the Swiss franc is stronger that this one would be weaker, right? And so this is what we're watching for. We are showing a little bit of weakness here, but a lot of consolidation, and I was watching this one before. I thought we'd have a break and close below and a pullback to this very strong resistance level. I was waiting for that, but as you can see, we did not get a rejection candle or any significant rejection here. So that never played out. Now I'm looking for the next level, so we'll be watching for rejection up in this area. Okay, that's all I have for today, guys. Hope you enjoy your day, and I will talk with you again tomorrow.